I got your question in the email. Your answer's real close, which is good, and I was suspicious when I saw your answer's real close there. But in this problem, in this section, you don't know this population standard deviation. You know the sample standard deviation. S is I believe that's is that 10. So when you come in here to click on stats, I mean you got Z stat and you got T stat, and you can see I got the answers you're showing here, but only one of them's correct. Since you only know S and not sigma, you gotta use the T distribution or the T stat. So you come in here, you click on stat, and then T stat one summary, one sample T summary, and you put the information in. It's very similar to this, just the T distribution is a little fatter in the tails, which does make a difference, as you can see and as you found out. So you need to be clicking on T instead of Z, because we only know S and we don't know the population standard deviation. Sigma is the reason why. I hope that helps.